Hi everyone, I'm Rita from Shandong Lincoln Machinery Manufacturer. We have more than 30 years experience to produce and export our machines. Today I will introduce our press brake machine for you. Okay, you can see there is our many machines here. So today I will introduce this one, our latest design press brake. You can see this one is our CNC press brake. 100 tons, 3.2 meters, 4+1 axis press brake. Very beautiful. About the design, you can tell us what you want, and then we can do customize for you. I will show you our controller. You can see this is our controller. The brand is Dilam, a famous brand. This controller with a USB and an emergency stop switch, so you can stop the machine freely. And next, I will show you our hydraulic system. About our hydraulic system, we use the Bosch Rexroth, a very famous brand. Hydraulic system special for press brake, high frequency, lower failure rate. The machine will run fast and stable. Okay, there are some parts about our press brake. So if you want to learn more information, contact us freely. I will show you our contact information here. So please contact us. Okay, bye.